Let's make a wonderful horse. Don't forget to smile while doing it. We're going to use 5 colors of clay: light brown, yellow, white, gray, and please make hooves. Take a piece of gray clay and roll 4 middle balls. Then pin them with your finger. Well done! Hooves are done! Now make legs. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 4 middle balls. Into a cone with your hands. Then bend them with your fingers. Hooray! Legs are done. Now make a body. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a cone with your hands. Congratulations! The body is done. Model a neck. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll it into a cone with your hands. And press with your finger. Hooray! The neck is done. Next, make a head. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll into a cone with your hand. Pin it with your finger. And press ahead with your finger. Well done! The head is done! Now make a muzzle. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll one middle ball with your fingers. Then make nostrils with a pencil. And make a cut with a cutter. Awesome job! The muzzle is done. It's time to make ears. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll two little balls. Then roll into a cone with your fingers. Well done! Ears are done! Model eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll two little balls. Make a deepening with a pencil. Great job! Eyes are done. Now make pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll two little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Let's make a crest. Take a piece of yellow clay and roll 10 little balls. Roll them into a cone with your fingers. Hooray! The crest is done. Make a tail. Take a piece of yellow clay and roll 4 little balls. Then roll into a cone with your hand. Well done! A tail is done! Then roll into a cone with your hand. Hooray! A tail is done! Good job! Everyone will like your horse. I guess you want to make one more figure.
It wasn't so difficult. If you really want something, you can easily do it.
Let's start modeling a cow. I'm sure you'll create a piece.